Hello everyone! Today I want to show you how to use the column lineage feature in the extension Power User for DBT in Visual Studio Code. So to start, I want to explain why would you use a column lineage at first. So there are three situations that I use the most as an analytics engineer. One is if there's something in the source that is being changed, so a column is being added or deleted or adding more types in the source. And then I want to see the effect of this change in my models. Another one is when we are doing refactor ourselves and we are changing either the logic of a column or if we want to see the impact of deleting a column. So if you're removing columns, right? And the example today is something in the source is changing. So I have this here, this staging layer model, and this is using a source in Postgres. And I got contacted that this source is going to change the activity type, and they're going to add one more activity type. So currently, I even have a test in here. The activity type is 3, login, logout, and post, and I'm going to add a new one. So one way to see it is obviously you can search in your project, right? So you can search for this name of this column, activity type, and you can see the usage. But this is very prone to error because, for example, if this column is renamed in one of the MARDS models, then you already lose this column, right? So for example, here I can even see here, there's activity type and then S type. And this can be renamed several times. So you can completely lose this column if you do like this. So I'm gonna use this lineage to find this column. So first let me expand. And here add these two columns, these two tables. So I can see the full lineage, and then I can search for my column. And then this is finding where exactly this column is coming from and where it's going to be used. So the upstream and downstream models. And I can see here already there is a here, so a alias. I have a legend here to see. Alias means that it's being renamed. So that's what we saw when we actually search it here. And this is exactly what I wanted to find. So here there is an unchanged column, so it's just showing this column in this model. And then there's 3 usage of this same column in 3 different columns. And it's a transformation. So if you click here, I can see that actually it's just summing the activity types. So login, so login, logout, and post. So post. So actually this change would mean to me that I would have to change this model and add one more row here, so one more column to sum also the activity type, the new activity type. And that's all for today. Maybe just show also that you can do the same thing in your SaaS instance. So I have a connection with the SaaS instance, and I can see also the lineage in here, and also I can see the same columns as I see in my Visual Studio. So if somebody feels more comfortable in the browser. And so that's all. See you in the next video.